Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yesterday my dad surprised me with this tiny little UFO. It's not a real one, as you can see, and it has a tiny mind of its own, or sensors. And today we're going to unbox it and calibrate it and to control it. So let's get on with it. This is how it looks like. You see, this is made out of plastic, it's not metal. Though it looks like metal, it is not. And it's very lightweight. You can see the fans are inside, so the plastic will absorb the shock and won't let the fans inside break unless something gets inside. And it's so unbelievably ingenious that how they fit tiny little sensors and a CPU battery pack on this tiny little space. This is gonna be a real fun thing to play with. So let's first start by calibrating it. You have to turn the UFO upside down. The second step is the off and on button. You see it? Yeah. So this is how you off and on the UFO. So first you have to press this, secondly you have to press this off and on button quickly for, 3 seconds. See? And then it will start blinking. The lights will start blinking. And then when it's a solid green light, it means that you're ready. So now that we calibrated it, the first thing that you need to know before you control this little UFO is how to stop it in the middle of the flight. I'm gonna demonstrate it right now. See? You just turn it upside down and it automatically stops the fans from turning. Now the next thing that you need to know how to control this UFO is that how to make it rapidly go up. And then there is another way, how to just make it go up slowly. So what you need to do is put your hand like this and it'll go up slowly. But if you put your hand like this between the two sensors, then it will go up faster. And by the way, this UFO has 4 sensors. One over here, one over here, one over here, and one over here. So it's gonna be in 4 directions. See? So the next thing you need to know is how to control how to make it go horizontally. Okay? What you need to do is, the first step obviously is doing this, and then you need to do this. See? So when you do that, then it will go slowly over here. Okay? And the next thing is, if you want to make it go faster like that, is that you need to put your hand in one sensor for some time, and when you let go, it will go faster automatically. Okay, so I'll try to do it. Now the next thing is the time. It's probably gonna work about 5 to 7 minutes, but don't be disappointed because this is a great deal of fun when it works. And there will be approximately 30 minutes to fully charge this vehicle. And my sister, she really likes to play with it indoors. And it's about $15 here in US. Overall, this is a great toy for dads to surprise their kids with. This is gonna be the end of today's video, and please subscribe to our channel and smash that like button. So, bye for now.